I just got an Amazon package. This is a very special package, could save your life. It is my book, Active Killer Survival Manual. We're going to open it together. This is the first copy of it. It's available on Amazon now. I'll put the link in the description below. But I spent 30 years in law enforcement. And as a school resource officer, a SWAT officer, a firearms instructor, even working for the State Department in an anti-terrorism capacity. And I toured the nation and went to actual crime scenes that were active shooter crime scenes. And I talked to survivors and asked them, what did you do to survive? And I talked to investigating officers, and they told me the reasons that other people lost their life. And I put all that information from 30 years of law enforcement, active crime scenes, in this book. It's the very best information I have to offer you. So let's go ahead and open this up together. Here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Look at that. Now you see it's got the word shooter crossed out, because actually, you know, if you carry a firearm for self-defense, you're a shooter, I'm a shooter, we're law-abiding citizens. These guys that commit these crimes are using unlawful force against innocent victims. They are killers. So let's call them exactly what they are. And that was taught to me by Lieutenant Colonel Dave Grossman, who wrote the foreword to the book. He said, Phil, let's be true and accurate about who these people really are. All right, so there's my picture on the back. But in this book, you're going to find, of course, the foreword by Lieutenant Colonel Dave Grossman. There he is. He's been my mentor and friend for many years. So that's the reason why this book is of such high quality. If it has his stamp of approval, you can't get any better. So if you go through the table of contents in here, oh, there's his signature. If you go through the table of contents in here, you'll see that we go over a lot of different things. But boiling it down really simple for you, and there's pictures in here from different scenes I've been on. And in the back, you're going to have lists of things that you can do. There's all kinds of ways to memorize cool information. And in the very back, there are a couple of quick reference cards. Now, these are the steps, if you hear a gunshot wherever you're at, that you take in the chronological order that you take them in to increase your chances of survivability. But boiling it down really simple, what you'll see in here is a description of the mindset of what an active killer is and pre-attack indicators. Because whether it's a school shooting, a terrorist event, or workplace violence, almost all of them have a pre-attack indicator that they display. So if you can learn those pre-attack indicators, then you can prevent them from harming anybody, including yourself, and get them some help. Also, after pre-attack indicators, we can't detect it before it happens and prevent it. If you find yourself in a situation, then we talk about measures you can take to survive it. So where you can get away, or if you have to stay there, we point out things that you need to do, and picking your stronghold, a place where you go in, you barricade, and we go over different kind of improvised weapons of opportunity that may be laying around. So we teach all kinds of different things in here, and it is the very best information that I have. It's 181 pages, and it's written in a way to empower you, not to traumatize or scare you. All of my training at Situational Awareness Institute, everything we do, when I say we, there are about 35 different instructors that are affiliated with us in our network. And they're either prior military or law enforcement, or have a special talent that could help people survive these kind of situations. So anyway, do me a favor, do yourself a favor, take responsibility for your own safety, become aware. Go to the link below and just grab a copy of this. I priced it very reasonably because I've reached a point in life after all these years of research and touring the nation. I decided it's time for me to release this information to the world. I want to save as many people as we can. I want to help as many people as we can. And this is my legacy. This is the best thing that I have to offer for my life in law enforcement. Thank you. And remember, think tactically and be safe.